Now you can easily cover your old and cracking boat seats with our universal seat skin replacements. Simply slide these vinyl seat cover skins over the old seats to save time and money. This set includes 2 marine seat skin replacements that are specifically fabricated to fit a back-to-back lounge bench seat. Our DIY Gateways boat seat covers are designed with a 2-tone color. The inside color is pleated with a stylish stitching to add more character. They include elastic straps to hold the covers in place for an easier install. However, we recommend pulling the vinyl tight around to the bottom and securing it with staples for a more professional look. The seat covers can be pulled tight to fit many different seat types. The bottom half covers roughly 19 to 20 inches wide, with 16 to 18 inches in depth. The top half covers roughly 19 to 20 inches wide by 18 to 19 inches high. We also include a more in-depth instruction sheet on how to install the seat covers. So if you are looking to improve the look of your boat seats, order our Universal Fit seat skins today. Forget spending hundreds to thousands of dollars replacing boat seats at the upholstery shop. Simply slide these skins over to make your boat more comfortable with a better visual look. Order our seat skins today and you'll be happy to cruise the water in more comfort and style.